It's Brickmas time, and we're gonna build some Lego here. It's Brickmas time, and I've got a donkey here. And I love him plenty, and we're gonna build some bricks. Spread your arms around the world, it's Lego time. So we got a Duncan. He might not stay for the whole video because he's got busy things to do because it's Christmas. And you know he's actually a unicorn and a reindeer. He moonlights as a dog. So it's the 24th. Not technically Christmas yet, but it's Christmas Eve, which is just as important as Christmas Day. Because Christmas Eve is when you get to do all the fun stuff like eat Chinese food. Which is our family tradition. So I hope we get Chinese food. I don't know. Now I'm thinking about whether or not we're getting Chinese food. We haven't thought about that and planned for that. I have to ask Dad. Okay, so let's get started. Getting carried away here. So this is probably the big man, I'm guessing. If it isn't, I'll be very surprised. So let's open panel 24. Oh, it's Santa. It is Santa. Val was like, surprise, it's actually Jesus. No, he came out tomorrow. He's the secret 26th panel. The 25th panel. The 25th is celebration of Jesus. That's why you do midnight mass on the 25th. Was that Christmas Eve? Was he born on the 24th at night? Then why would you celebrate Christmas on the 25th? It's just weird. I don't know. It's confusing, but so is the rest of Christianity and religion. I'm agnostic. Please don't kill me. Oh, his hat comes in its own bag. Vacuum packed. Okay, he's got a sack for stuff. If you wonder what Santa looks like without a beard, there you go. It's kind of weird. It's just a guy with gray and white eyebrows. It kind of looks like if you dyed my eyebrows white. So, let's get started here. Oh, and he's got a secret candy cane stashed like someone would have a knife stashed in their belt. It's for if someone tries to rob him. He came with 2 beards. Oh, and they're rubber beards. Maybe I can give someone a beard. Why even put a mouth on him if he's not... He's got a... Why is Leonard there? Jesus, Leonard. And apparently Santa's bald? I mean, we never see Santa's hair. When you think about it.
Maybe his hair is his hat.
Maybe his... Yeah, maybe he's actually just wearing a red tube hat, and the white stuff is his hair. And he just like has a ponytail that comes out the hat. There's a Gritty Santa remake or whatever. Gritty take on Santa for Michael Bay or whatever. Michael Bay's Santa. Royalty-free Christmas. Ho, 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 it's a royalty-free Christmas. Explosions. Reindeer explodes. So that's Santa. He's coming tonight. And he's going to give all y'all some Lego. I almost said candy. He might give you candy. Hopefully he gives you Lego. So, yeah. That's my first Lego Santa.
He's got a candy cane in his belt.
Yeah.
Like a gun.
Well, it's like that's what I said. It's like he's got a candy cane stashed there, like someone would have a knife or a gun hidden in their belt. It's for like if someone tries to rob him or like he has to fight off Krampus.
Has to fight off the naughty kids.
Fight off the naughty kids. Just like whips out a candy cane.
Instead of getting pistol whipped, you get candy cane.
I mean, you can make a pretty dangerous shiv out of a candy cane. TBH. So, don't do that at home. And if you do, don't say that I inspired you to do that.
If you're watching from prison, don't do it.
Yeah, if you're watching from prison, don't stab people. It's Christmas, guys. Like, not cool. Even if they're assholes or whatever, wait until Boxing Day. Like, I
Put
mean,
them in the box on
yeah,
Boxing Day.
put them in the box on Boxing Day, or box their ears on Boxing Day. Yeah, like, just let someone have a nice 24th and 25th of December and deal with that stuff on Boxing Day. That's Boxing Day is all about fighting your fellow man for and like betraying each other's love and returning stuff. That's what Boxing Day was all about. It's like literally the antithesis of Christmas. It's like, oh, you gave me this nice thing? Thank you. I don't like it. I'm going to actually return it tomorrow and get sales. So, yeah. It's not actually about Rocky, like some people think. Boxing Day is not about Apollo Creed, the day that Apollo Creed and Rocky teamed up to beat Drago.
This video's gone.
Can you tell that we're kind of at the end of our wits here? So, Nintendo, don't forget to subscribe for more content. We're going to be posting regular content on Mondays and Thursdays, unless we do some additional bonus stuff like this for other holidays and whatnot. So stay tuned for those. Make sure that you ring the bell to get notified when we post those videos. And we'll have some new LEGO content coming up in the future. You've probably seen at this point the other video that we did. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And Merry Christmas, you filthy animals. And a Happy New Year.